Proteins. From the meat we eat to our enzyme and the histone molecules that wind our DNA together, all of them are proteins. Like carbohydrates and fats, proteins are also very complex organic substances containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and additional elements, nitrogen. Sulfur and phosphorus may also be present. Protein molecules are the largest and most complicated of all the food substances. Every protein molecule is built up from simpler compounds known as amino acids, the basic units of proteins. Most of the amino acids have a common structure consisting of an amino group, an acidic group, and hydrocarbon side chain denoted by R in this way. R varies depending on the type of amino acid. R may sometimes be sulfur, carboxylic acid, amino group, or hydroxyl groups. Naturally, there are 22 amino acids in plant and animal proteins. These are combined in various ways to form various different protein molecules. This is analogous to English language that has only 26 alphabets but forms many different words. When two amino acids link up, there is a removal of one molecule of water that is called a condensation reaction. The bond formed between these two amino acids is strong and known as the peptide bond. If three or more amino acids are linked up by peptide bonds, the polypeptide or peptone is formed. Polypeptide in turn may be linked up to form a very long chain of amino acids. An amino acid chain can contain about 500 units on average. A protein molecule is made up of one or more such chains. The amino acid chains in a protein molecule are not arranged structurally straight. In most proteins, the chains are coiled up to give the protein a three-dimensional distinctive shape and are held in place by weak hydrogen bonds. These bonds are easily broken by heat, acids, and alkalis. The breaking of these bonds causes protein denaturation and affects the functions of protein. This is why when we have a high fever, we are told to lower our temperature. As protein molecules are very large, they cannot pass through cell membranes, so the ingested proteins cannot be absorbed directly into the body of animals. They have to be broken down by enzymes. Digestion is another example of hydrolysis. The proteins are first split into polypeptides, which are in turn split into their constituent amino acids. Since amino acids are soluble in water and small enough to diffuse through living membranes, they can easily be absorbed into the body. When amino acids enter the body cells, they are linked up again to form the required protein. An average kid needs approximately 18 grams of protein a day. The deficiency of proteins in the diet of children may lead to a protein deficiency disease called kwashiorkor. Such children usually have swollen abdomens and scaly skin with cracks. Proteins play numerous important functions in our bodies. They act on growth and repair of cells and cell organelles, composition of enzymes and some hormones, formation of antibodies, and of course, they are also a source of energy.